Hey, what's up, students? We are on our way. Oh yeah, it's me and Sarah and Jen.
Hi.
Jen,
And me.
Say something very Jen-like.
100%.
That's right. Hey, we are headed to somebody's house to shoot the next In Your Room video for the Blacklight party, and it might be your house.
Oh!
Yeah!
I love Craig.
Hey, what's up, everybody? We're just hanging out in Brogan Cook's room.
That's right.
It's Brogan Cook's room. You know how we know it's Brogan Cook's room? Because he has a mannequin head on a stick.
That's how
that's how we know.
For prom.
That's how we
dudes.
know it's his room. Because who else would do that? But here's the fun part. We've done In Your Room videos before. We go in, we make fun of all your stuff. It's awesome. But this time's a little bit different because Brogan's about to be home. And we're going to be waiting for him with our mask. And we're going to jump out and scare him. It's going to be awesome. Stay tuned.
They wanna choose smooth with a hum of few these dudes who will follow you. Derek Jeter, boy, we cool, being number 2. Them sons of the father beast, all 4 quarters won't change for $1. I can't take the anticipation.
Oh my God.
It's time to have a rave in Brogan's room!
Oh my God. That was the scariest thing. We're here now, finally. Brogan's home. We're in his room, as you see, and his room's amazing. He's got lots of cool designs and decals, airplanes. We love what you're doing with the place.
Thank you very much.
The red blob in the corner.
Beautiful.
He's painting his room, to be truthful, but he's not just a massive slob.
I mean, he might be, but he's painting his room now, so
And
there's really no way of knowing. Huh? What's that, Jen?
Jen, what? She's at a loss for words. It's not like her usually.
Yeah, she's so quiet today. It's weird. I don't know.
So Brogan, you're home. What do you usually do when you get home from school?
When I get home, homework, come up, play some music.
Music.
Get the
Oh,
tunes going.
music!
Yeah.
All right, let's hear a song. Would you mind?
All right.
Sideways, sideways, sideways. I ain't sleeping like 9 days. Heard they be talking sideways. Hold up. Leaning in the same sideways. The Lion King said D.I.E. Then brought us back to life like an EMT. No biggie to me that you can do it B.I.G. Till you ain't got a line like a DMV. You rappers are neon green, Yukon Denali's wanna be DMCs, but overdose on Christ, see a G.O.D. G.O.D. That's what you see on me. Now turn up. They know when we pull up, where they working them traps like a pull up.
Well, that was fun.
Refreshed.
After a long day of school and soccer practice and
Piano practice.
piano recitals and ballet
and
and
then dancing.
knitting class.
Yeah.
And then dancing.
Basket weaving.
You know what? Brogan's pretty tired, and so before he can go on and do his homework and do other chores around the house, he needs an afternoon nap. So
Put him down for a nap.
it's time for us to
There we
put
do it.
Brogan down for a nap.
All right.
We got you, buddy.
We got you. Here you go. Oh, lay down. Lay down right there. So to help Brogan go to sleep, we're going to read him a bedtime story called The Perfect Piggy. And look at those ears, so floppy and fine. Yes, stop it. You have to admit it. We're fabulous swine. We are all perfect piggies, and we know what we need. It's really very simple indeed. A trough full of food, a place in the sun, and a little bit of comfort when the day is done. The end.
All right, Mr. Brogan just woke up, and Brogan, it's time to do your afternoon
Hey.
workout routine.
Wake
A little
up.
sleepy?
Wake up! Wake up!
Jen's feisty. She's very adamant about working out. It's
So-
critical for
so
good health.
sassy. That's right.
So we're gonna do some workouts. So here we go. We got some little curls.
Curls for the girls.
Go.
That's right.
I like that.
If the curls don't make you hurls, then you're doing it wrong.
You're now in Callie's room. And we are about to go explore, and we're going to help her do her nightly routine as well. Here we go.
Hi guys, we are here. Very serious situation going on. Brogan's most favorite, beloved doll is having emergency surgery as we speak. Derek is performing it. Let's go ahead and check out and see how it's going.
Oh my gosh. Situation's critical. Tweezers. These eyebrows are horrible. Chopsticks. Her nasal passageway is just totally clogged.
All right, it's me, Jen, here with Callie, and we're going to help her with some homework. Let's see what we're working on here today. Percents and decimals. The first question is, what is 4 times 4? Callie, do you know the answer?
No.
It's 100%.
Okay, Callie. If x times 4 equals 17, solve for x. The answer, do you know it?
I have a guess.
Yeah.
5,000?
Truly, that's wrong. I tell you, it's 100%.
Yay.
Leave for your last question. Number 3. What is 16,000 divided by 888? Callie, I call on you.
1.
No, the answer is Florida.
They have finished their homework. They got their afternoon nap in. They've done all their chores, and now it is time to play. Let's go play, everybody.
Together, everyone. Together, together. Come on, let's have some fun. Together, we're there for each other every time. Together, together. Come on, let's do this right. Here and now, it's time for celebration. I finally figured out, yeah, that all our dreams have no limitation.
Sideways, came in this thing sideways. Get turned, get lit sideways. Haters looking at me sideways, sideways, sideways. I ain't stepping like now.